So let's start out from this area of my desk. The very first thing that you see is this clock. Now I got this from Home Center. It's this really pretty gold colored clock and it shows the time. Then I have this stationery box in which I have the usual stationery that I use. So here are some highlighters. These are like really pretty and aesthetic looking highlighters. I'll be linking them down in the description. These are by Faber-Castell and one is by Staedtler. This is the pink one. And then I also have like this binder clip. So this is what this one looks like. And then I also have a small binder clip, which is this one. So again, really cute. Got this from Stationery Pal. And there are also like these washi tapes which are super pretty. This is the Galaxy one, this is the Constellation Stars one. Next thing that I have here is the calculator. Now I don't use calculators very much, but whenever I do, I just use this one. It has this like cover, but just to show you guys, I just opened it up right now. The next one is the lamp that I got. Now I know a lot of you people love the lamp, but this isn't available in India anymore, so you cannot get this. But if I could find the link, I would put it in the description, but it's very hard. From the lamp right here, I have made this collage from like stickers. You can either print them or you can buy them from Stationery Pal again. I'll be linking them in the description as always, and like everything will be linked. So this is like very cute, like bunny stickers and then flowers. It just looks very aesthetic and it just matches my vibe, so I put this. Okay, moving below this, I have this like some sort of stand, I don't know. It has just these brush pens and like markers and just random stationery that I need every day, so it has got that. Then here I have made this myself, this Never Gave Up painting. This is made by me, and this is the like the frame that I got. It was a gift from one of my cousins, so that's that. I really like this. Then it also has this thing for whatever reason, I am not quite sure, but works really well for me. Then moving on to here, I have like these two glass bottles in which I've like kept two plants, so you can reuse these glass bottles which you have at home. Then I've also put like stickers. You can check out my desk makeover video for the entire thing. But yeah, it's very cool. I think it looks very aesthetic. It's good. Just plants are good. Then when I come here I have my iPad. It shows the time right now because just like wanted to display the time in an aesthetically pleasing manner. But I usually use my iPad all the time along with the laptop, so it just displays time right here. It's 4:09 p.m. and yeah, that's what I have right here. And I just also changed this desk like this thing. It's the vinyl. I did it in my last video, the desk makeover, so you can check that out too. After here comes this part of the desk. Now these are basically stamps, but these are paper stamps, so again I got them from Stationery Pal, and you can either print them out or buy them. These are very aesthetically pleasing, so I had like made a collage right here. So this is what I have right here. Moving on to this part, this is like the last bit of wall. I have these like again the stickers. Now what I like about these is that they are like easily removable and it doesn't even scrap off the paint from your wall, so these are very like nice to put. And yeah, then you have like a cute bed, a cute bunny, then like a bird and stuff, so it's really aesthetic and it's really nice, so that's why I have it right here. Then moving on to this side, I just like have my laptop. Oh, it's a bit dirty because of the dirt, I guess. Ignore that, sorry. This was the desk, but I also have like these drawers below the desk which has like more stationery and stuff inside of it. It's very messy, so I won't want to show it to you, so we'll leave that for another time. But it just have like random stuff, so that's that. And then this is my desk, and I also like have this tube light. It gives a really nice light, so that's why I really like it. So thanks to my dad for like getting this installed over here. It's really nice. It's this additional like space and it's always very bright, so it's easier to study. Then I have this orange thing. You must be wondering what is that. Now I stuck this once. Now it dried so much, but I could not get this thing out, so it's just stuck there like an orange, like literally it's just orange circle stuck to the wall. It's of glass, by the way. So this is my desk too. This is what my desk looks like. Very aesthetic now. open some Amazon packages that I got right now. Firstly, I got some beauty blenders. Look how neon they look. And yeah, I got these. On to the next package. Next thing that I got are these like ear cuffs, which are meant for the like the cartilage part of your ear. So if you don't have a piercing there, you can use it if you want to. So they look something like this. So like there are a bunch of them, so you can try it out. The next thing that I got is this package. Now it consists of earrings. These are what the earrings look like, and they were very inexpensive. So you get like these pairs, then these pairs, and then these pairs. So like the photo will be here on the screen, so you can check it out for yourself. So this is a perfume from Marks and Spencer's. It's their Water Lily and Blossom perfume, and yeah, it's the Eau de Toilette. I really don't know how to pronounce it. I'll just cut it out. So this is what the perfume looks like. Let's just smell it a little bit. Smells nice. It smells really fresh. So this is the next thing that I got. I also ordered like a perfume by Bentley. So Amazon also has like luxury fragrances. So I ordered the one from Bentley, but I did not receive it. So it's a picture right here. So guys, I got the perfume. This is what it looks like. Let's smell it. Oh, it's actually very like nicely made. Oops. Smells amazing. So yeah, this is what the perfume from Bentley looks like. By the way, all of the items will be linked in the description box below, so make sure that you check it out if you want to. And thank you so much to My Haul Store for sending these.